Disney, The Jungle Book-Mowgli Meets Baloo. Level 2. Before you read, in this book,
Mowgli, Shere Khan, Baloo. Mowgli is a young boy. He's 10. He lives in the jungle with the animals. The jungle is hot. Some animals are his friends. The panther, the elephant, and the monkey play with Mowgli. They like him. But not all the animals like him. The snake wants to eat Mowgli. Shere Khan is a dangerous tiger. He doesn't like Mowgli. He wants Mowgli to leave the jungle. Mowgli is a boy, and boys don't live in the jungle. Shere Khan follows him. Mowgli is angry and scared. Shere Khan is dangerous. But what can Mowgli do? Who can help him now? Suddenly, Mowgli meets a friendly bear. The bear's name is Baloo. Baloo is nice. Mowgli tells him about Shere Khan. Mowgli is sad. The jungle is his home. He doesn't want to leave. Baloo wants to help this young boy. He doesn't want Mowgli to be sad. Baloo carries Mowgli and smiles at him. Mowgli laughs. He isn't scared of the tiger now. Baloo and Mowgli walk together in the jungle. They are friends now. The two friends play in the jungle. They swim in the river. Then they eat bananas. They have fun together. Baloo likes to dance. He's a funny bear. Baloo and Mowgli are tired, but Mowgli is happy again. "Thank you, Baloo," he says. They're great friends.